Things I never knew till I joined an IT class. Let's track my progress with me from someone who knew almost nothing about IT to where I am now. Once I take this opportunity to revise my lessons. Yes. So the first day I stepped into this IT class, I met them learning how to navigate between tabs. I was like, what the heck are they doing? Then I just sat down quietly, newcomer. Then I just looked at whatever was going on. At the end of the lesson, I could navigate between the apps without using my mouse. Let's say out of nowhere your mouse stopped working, or you're in a hurry and your mouse is failing you. You can actually use your keyboard to navigate between the apps. You use your keyboard. Mine was command and tabs, but then those using the Windows laptop, there's alt and tabs. Type it right now and see if your apps would not appear on your screen right now. They will just appear and then it will start moving through it. You can see that the apps are highlighting the recent apps you've opened. So assuming your mouse just failed you and you want to type anything or you want to use any other app, you can use that. You understand? And then you learn how to use the shortcut keys too. And we already know that Control C is copy, Control V is paste. We learned that in our primary schools and GHS schools. And even senior higher, those who did IT, some part of IT, because for me, I didn't do just proper IT, but then we started doing those kind of IT class which are optional and we didn't take them seriously. And then after completing senior high, I realized that you actually need these IT schools to be able to be productive. So after that, we learned about productivity tools. But before I come to productivity tools, what school am I talking about? The IT class is DevTech Academy. DevTech Academy is actually British School Junction. Or visit their website www.ta.com. Another thing I learned is, at first, our parents and our grandparents, they don't used to have this desktop we have with icons and then colorful apps. They were using the command prompt, which is numbers and then special characters, which includes we have question marks, I saw exclamation mark, dollar signs. This is how they used to interpret their computers. This 11 generation, assuming you saw this, will it even work? You won't work because it doesn't look nice. You can't even change your wallpaper. But then they were using that to create folders, create files, store their devices, and do everything until 1975, when the Xerox introduced the graphical user interface, which is the desktop we are seeing now. Yes, and then I also learned how to use the productivity tools, which is the word processing applications and the PowerPoint presentations, and then we have the slides, which is like present. Did I say slides is the PowerPoint, right? The other one is Excel. So there are three. The Excel is an example is Google Sheets. That's what I use for my example. But then we have Microsoft Excel too. So with this Excel sheet, you can actually do a lot of things, which includes drawing graphs. You can draw pie charts in it. I was actually very surprised. You see those graphs you see in your books, your like textbooks, and then presentations online, those kind of online courses, they use this Excel sheet to do it, and they look very nice. You can edit it anyhow you like, and then copying and pasting in Excel is very interesting. Instead of writing one thing twice or thrice, or even doing the manual copy, let me bust your brain. You can call the whatever you want to write in one cell to another cell. I let all at once, the water academy, or command whatever you want to type from one worksheet into another worksheet. If you're an IT person, like this video because I know you understand whatever I'm saying. When you're speaking the IT terms, you should want to know once they can't relate. Come to the Tech Academy so that you can understand the language I'm speaking. Yeah, I'm speaking IT at the moment. Yeah. So the other one was slides. Let me not go far in the Excel. So with the PowerPoint presentation, which is the slides, where you see those big businessmen showing presentation of maybe whatever they want to talk about on the screen. It's not by magic. They actually learned it. You can show pictures, videos, writing, and then it comes automatically. You can program all that using your PowerPoint presentation, which in Google Workspace it's called Google Slides. So that's like the most common one, and that's why I'm using that as an example. You can use that to do the same thing they are doing, and you can use it in all your presentations, your school presentation, and all of that. And then we have the word processing apps, which includes Google Docs, and then you can write your documents, edit them, do all the stuff. in one app, and then you can even command to point it in that same app. Yeah. So make sure you come to the Tech Academy. And then if you are looking for Tech Academy, you can see it on hasmaya.com. Go to hasmaya.com and type Tech Academy, and it will show you Tech Academy with its location and even the live map for you to follow to come to the Tech Academy. Isn't quite interesting? You can even get the contact of wherever you want to need, you will need to locate the Tech Academy. Click the link in the description.